Yo, 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 what it do, my homies, my peeps, my rounds, and most importantly, my goal chasers. This is Joshua Jones with the Impel Project, still taking it one goal at a time, and welcome to episode 7 of Goal Chasers Radio. Welcome, welcome. I know I've been out for a minute, but I've been getting some things done. I've been getting some things done going into 2021. It's going to be a big year for me and the Impel Project. So I wanted to holler at y'all before we go into the new year. And it is the holiday season. We just had Thanksgiving. We just had Halloween. Now we're in Hanukkah, Kwanzaa, and Christmas. So all of that is coming up, and don't forget New Year's Eve and New Year's Day. That's coming up too. So today I wanted to talk to you guys about having the perfect holiday. Having the perfect holiday. Now, I don't have to tell you guys that the holiday season is very stressful. It is very stressful. So much going on. With family, with friends, with work, and not to mention any personal goals and dreams that you guys are working on. But I want to give some tips today on how to have the perfect holiday season this year. So let's get right into it. We're going to dive right into it. I got 3 tips for you guys. Tip number 1, plan and set boundaries. Plan and set boundaries. So, with the holiday season, we're meeting up with family and friends that we haven't seen in a while. And with that, we're going to be all over the place. And before you start your holiday season, set some boundaries. Set some things that you want to accomplish. Set some things that you want to do during this holiday season. Do not fall for the trick of following someone else's to-do list. Do not fall for that trick because you got things to do. You want to be happy. I don't want you guys to be miserable during that holiday season because you're following someone else's game plan. So set your game plan, set some boundaries, and go have some fun. Do things that you want to do. Tip number 2, rest and rejuvenate. So I know you guys probably got a lot of vacation saved up for this moment, got a lot of PTO, and it's time to rest. It is time to rest going into the new year because you've been hustling and bustling all year long. So I want you guys to make sure that you are getting rest. Make sure that you are getting rest because if you're tired going into the new year, you're going to have a tired year. Just to be honest. So be sure to get your rest, get some sleep, just chill, relax, watch a good Christmas movie or a few Christmas movies. Catch up on some shows you haven't gotten into just yet. Or just read a good book. Sit back, be quiet, and read a good book. Silence is the best noise sometimes. But last but not least, tip number 3, and this is a very important tip when you're in the holiday season. This is for all my entrepreneurs, creatives, and just hardworking people who are in their careers right now. I want you guys to be in the moment with family and friends. Be in the moment. I don't need you thinking about anything else but being in the moment, enjoying your family and friends you haven't seen in a while, just taking in that love from your friends and family that comes with the holiday season. So be in the moment. Be in the moment. I don't want you thinking about anything else. Don't be thinking about that, about your business. Don't think about having to go to work or any useless task that doesn't require you to fully be engaged with your family and friends, because those moments there, you can't get those back. You cannot get those moments back. So it is important to be in the moment with your family and friends during this time. So that's all the tips I got for you guys on Goal Chasers Radio today. We'll be back next week with another episode just to check up on you guys, see how your holiday is going. But that's all I got. That's all I got for my Goal Chasers. Also, before I forget, So We Talking Goals. So We Talking Goals workshop series. That is coming up in the new year, January 7th, January 14th, and the 21st. We are attacking our goals. We're talking about fear. We're talking about building good habits. And we're talking about a whole bunch of other things during this workshop series. So go get your tickets. Go get your tickets now. They are on eventbrite.com. So We Are Talking Goals. So type that in on eventbrite.com or check out the link in the bio. Check out the link in the videos. Check out the YouTube page that we have. We got a lot of good things going for you guys going into the new year. But if you need some coaching done, hit my line, hit me up. We're going to get a plan together for your new goals and dreams. But that's all I got, my Goal Chasers. You guys enjoy the rest of your week. Get your holiday shopping done. And peace.